You can triple your hair growth with this perfect wash day protective hairstyle for your first natural hair. Wait, did you think this is a twist out? No, this is an African trading. Well, I'll be starting this hairstyle on a freshly washed hair. So I'm taking out a little section that I'll do a little style. I twisted that down. Now we are starting the hairstyle proper. So take out a small section like this, put the rest of the hair in a high puff. I'll be using this black thread for this hairstyle. You can double the thread, triple the thread, however you want it. So now I am just going to be wrapping the thread around the hair. You can wrap it like 3 times first on the roots before you now go down the length of the hair. Keep as much space as you want because that is what is going to help jump the hair to make it look like a twist. So when you get to the end like this, you add a little thread to the end because you don't want to cut off your hair. So you're going to bend it that way and you're going to continue the wrapping. So you keep wrapping. When you're done covering your natural hair, you now form a little loop, pass the thread, pull it out and cut off the excess. We go over to the next section. Now grab the section at the root on one hand and your thread on the other hand. Now we're going to wrap it 1, 2, 3. Then we go over and wrap it loosely, leaving some gap. We are going to continue that way until we get to the tip. Then we repeat what we did on the last hair. And that is that. So this is a very easy hairstyle that you can do on your wash day. This hairstyle will help you grow your hair. I am not capping. This hairstyle will help you grow your hair because it protects your hair. It is a very good protective hairstyle. It protects your ends. Your ends are protected and this will help with length retention. If a hairstyle is not retaining your length, please stop doing that kind of hairstyle. Any hairstyle that protects the length is the best hairstyle. So this hairstyle will help to retain your hair length, thereby promoting your hair growth. So this is the best hairstyle for you anytime, any day. And you can achieve this on your wash day. When you're done with the hair, you can go ahead and style it the same way you style your mini twist. And it will come out beautiful. You can wear it for a week. Then after that, when you take down the thread, your hair will be stretched. It will be easy for you to style the hair however you want. And you can style the hair, carry it for like a week before your wash day. So it is a win-win. It stretches the hair without the use of heat and it protects the hair from unwanted breakage. Also, please note that I did not tighten my roots. There was no pressure on my roots. A lot of people believe that if the hair is not tight enough at the roots, it is not good enough. So please do not do that. Do not have such beliefs. Let your roots be free of tension, especially the front of your hair. Else, you're bound to lose your hair. You're bound to lose your front hair. It is going to shade out and you won't like that. And a lot of people ask me, what do you use on your hair to grow? Please, I do not use anything on my hair to grow. It is all about healthy hair practices such as this. Putting my hair in a twist, thread or anything after my wash day. These are the things that help me grow my hair. I avoid tight hairstyles and I have learned to style my hair by myself and this has helped to grow my hair. So I have gotten to the last section of the hair and this is the part I said I was going to do a little style, and normally I would have done a cornrow or a flat twist, but since today is for trading, I'll continue with the thread. So I'll be using the thread to form like a flat twist. So let's see how we'll do that. So we have just 2 sections for the threaded flat twist. I'll quickly put one of it in a twist just to keep it in place. I don't want it to get in the way at all. So I'll be using this curved needle because I couldn't find my straight needle. So just look at my hand, just look at what I'm doing here. I'm just passing the thread through the section, like I'm wrapping the thread around it like that, and make sure to hold it in place. You don't want the thread to slip out. I am rolling it as I am doing it, putting the thread. Don't know if you understand, don't know if you can get it. So I'm also twisting the hair like that before passing the thread. So this will keep the hair flat and to help to make it really look like a flat twist. This curved needle was very stressful. I don't know where I kept my straight needle. So if you're doing this, please do not try this with this. And do not try it with this curved needle. Go for your straight needle, please. So I'll just continue doing that. Now I've gotten to the end of it. So I'll just wrap it like the way we did the regular threading. Then I'll continue the rest of the hair just like that. So if you did not get it, please be patient. You have to watch how I did the next one. I'm sure you'll be able to understand how I did it. Now notice what is going to happen here. It is going to fall out. See, the thread has pulled out. That is because I did not hold it with the hair. Now I'm going to hold the thread along with the hair. I don't know if you noticed that. So that will prevent the thread from pulling out as I'm styling the hair. So always remember to leave an extra thread with your hair. So as you're doing it, it won't pull out. And also remember to be rolling your hair like twisting it like that. It will really help to give the hair that flat twist look. So you continue doing that. When you get to the end of the hair, you wrap the thread around it the same way you normally wrap around the roots like this. Then you go ahead and finish off the rest of the hair, and our hair is ready. Now if you look at the hair, it is kind of scanty, but I love it. I didn't have the patience to do tiny hairs. So with this hairstyle, I can style it however I want, the same way I would style my mini twist, and I'll be able to carry it for days. And when I finally take off the thread, the hair will be stretched and I'll be able to style the hair again, which I'll be able to carry for another week before my wash day. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. Is it something that you love to try on your wash day? Is it something you could wear out? Watch to the end and see how I'm going to style the hair. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so, and also give me a thumbs up. I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye.